The last question: why do you think an understanding of evolution is important today? Okay, evolution is literally the grand unifying theory of biology. Without evolution, nothing in biology makes much sense. Why certain things are this way when they could have been more efficient. For instance, the eye. Why is our camera running? Why is our cords running into our eye? That's like if you made a camera and you have the wires going through the lens in the middle. You know all these red veins you see? Actually, I hurt my eye. When did that? Um, that's because the veins are going through the middle when they easily could have, the way a camera works. Um, why do people have dark skin or light skin? Well, in this case, people have dark skin, which is an adaptation to bright weather uh, to protect them from carcinogens. Uh, People who have light skin, who were in places that have cooler weather, needed something to needed to make sure they got enough nutrients. So it's the opposite. Those who didn't were selected against. But anyway, the reason evolution is important, it helps us understand our relation to each other. To quote Neil deGrasse Tyson, we are all connected to each other biologically, to the earth chemically, and to the rest of the universe atomically. We really are brothers and sisters. Uh, we are a descendant of a common ancestor. To say you sort of make a mistake when you say no relation. Yeah, relation. I bet you there's a relation, and I bet you I could probably find it pretty easily. The whole Kevin Bacon theory. In 6 degrees, I could probably find a relation between you and anyone. Why? Because we all share a common ancestor, what could be called biological Eve. Um, Again, I digress. An understanding that we all come from the same core reinforces the idea that we really are the same. The different races, it really is only skin deep. I mean, there are genetic factors, but we are brothers and sisters. It's so important to understand the fundamentals of science. It's absurd that evolution is a college or high school class. This needs to be taught at the elementary school level because it's elementary. It literally is one of the fundamental laws of the universe. Um, Natural selection goes far beyond life. Even crystals replicating. The moment you have heredity, in any way, shape, form, or fashion, you have natural selection. Um, like the, I mean, it's strange. I find the answer so obvious that it's almost hard to put it in words. Why is evolution important today? Because of all the scientific facts, evolution is the one that has the most meaning to us as human beings. That's why it's still the most controversial thing outside of science. In science, there's no controversy. They teach the controversy crap. Yeah, why don't we go ahead and teach astrology alongside astronomy? Ugh. Anyway, it's why evolution itself was so um controversial, and in a way it is, even within science. Not whether it's true or not, but various aspects of it, because it goes to the core of what we are, um, how we came to be. For instance, some people want to believe that we're closer to bonobos than chimpanzees because bonobos are very sexual and sort of have a free love mentality. Culturally, They're wonderful, basically. Whereas chimpanzees are very hierarchy. The strong chimpanzee makes sure the others don't mate. It's the opposite of free love. It's patriarchy. Sadly, we are equally descended from both of them. Or not descendant, we share a common ancestor that is the exact ancestor that all three of us split. We are equally related to both bonobos and chimps, which in a way is a good thing. I think that shows that we can choose between the two natures, and that either being one or the other is surely a false dichotomy. Um, but yeah, that's my answer to why evolution is important, because it simply is. It's one of the most fundamental laws of life, at least. It's really the only law of life. Everything else falls into line with it. It really is the grand unifying theory of biology. Yeah.